Welcome to this tutorial on creating a movie credit roll in PowerPoint. Begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer, locate the application and launch it so that you can either create a new presentation or open an existing one that you wish to enhance with movie credits. Once PowerPoint is up and running, navigate to the presentation you plan to work on. This may be a project you have been developing or a new slide deck where you want to add a creative finishing touch. After you have your presentation open, direct your focus to the top toolbar and find the Insert tab. This tab hosts a variety of options for adding different elements to your slide. Locate the button labeled text box and click on it. With the text box now active on your slide, you are ready to add the textual elements that will serve as your movie credits. Type in the credits you desire. The text you input can include names or roles, keeping in mind that every element is now under your creative control. Having entered the text, it is important to ensure that your credit roll appears centered on the slide to create a balanced and professional look. To accomplish this, move to the paragraph section within the toolbar. There, adjust the alignment settings by selecting the option that centers the text. This small but essential step makes your credits aesthetically pleasing and sets the stage for a smooth animation. Now that your text is properly formatted on the slide, it is time to bring motion into your presentation by applying an animation effect. Transition your focus to the Animations tab. Here you will find an array of motion effects designed to enhance the visual dynamics of your slide. Within this tab, look for the Animations drop-down menu and click on it. As you scroll through the available options, you will see an animation effect labeled Line located at the bottom of the drop-down list. Select the line animation, which is particularly well suited for creating the effect of a rolling credit list. With the line animation in place, the next step is to refine the motion settings to suit the style of a traditional movie credit roll. Click on Effect Options to open the customization settings. Inside these options, choose the setting that arranges the animation direction as upward. This configuration ensures that your text will smoothly scroll from the bottom of the slide upward, mimicking the familiar cinematic credit effect. After configuring the animation settings, click directly on the credit roll text you created. You will notice that markers appear on the text represented by a green starting point and a red end point. These markers allow you to control where the animation begins and where it ends on your slide. First, click on the green point and drag it all the way down so that the text starts off the visible area or at the very bottom of your slide. Next, click on the red point and drag it upward, positioning it so that the text will exit at the top in a seamless manner. Finally, to fine-tune how long the credits roll over the screen, go to the animation pane. In this pane, you will see a bar that represents the duration of the animation. By clicking and dragging this bar toward the right, you extend the overall time the text is animated across the slide. This longer duration can give your credits a more dramatic, cinematic feel. By following these instructions closely, you have successfully set up a dynamic movie credit roll in PowerPoint. You now have the option to experiment with timing adjustments or further formatting to match the style of your presentation. Enjoy the process and let this creative element be the perfect conclusion to your PowerPoint project.